Folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 extending today, 485.22 on the SPY. Support is now the breakout point of 480. Below that, looking at 473, 474, and 466. Next resistance. So we're looking at 486, 485, 486, 492. Then eventually 500. Yeah. 501 and 508, 509. Disney is breaking out. This is, if you recall, we discussed it last week. Good consolidation. Generally, up, down, up pattern is a bullish formation. Good technicals. There was a dark pool activity yesterday, confirming with price level at 91 above the 50 SMA, confirming the bullish setup. Today popped. Initiate the swing as it was breaking above 94, the trigger point. There's a resistance at 97. I'm looking for 100, first target. Above that, 104 and 108. Support is today low and 91. Fastly, watch this one, intriguing. I like the breakout point. Several tops right here. One back in October. And then December. So it's a multi-month breakout with volume. So as potential 22, 24.50 and 27.50. It's volatile. Support 19 and the 80 Welcome to the world of smart trading with Dark Option Flow, the ultimate tool for traders seeking an edge in the market. What if you could see the market through the eyes of insiders, track the moves of big players and follow the clues of Wall Street top analysts? That's exactly what Dark Option Flow offers you. Uncover the power of unusual option activity. Watch as real-time alerts reveal hidden moves in the market, providing you with an unparalleled advantage. Whether you are a swing trader, an intraday trader, or a long-term investor, Dark Option Flow is your trusted companion. Check out Dark Pool Prints. Peek beyond the curtains where institutions and billionaires make their moves away from the public eye using Dark Pool exchanges. Get insights that go beyond the ordinary, guiding you towards strategic decisions. Meet Analyst Algo, our sophisticated AI-driven system. It filters out the noise, bringing you the most profitable insights from Wall Street top analysts. Imagine having a powerful ally to enhance your trading strategy. Track the footsteps of investment gurus like Warren Buffett. Dark Option Flow categorizes and analyzes the portfolios of over 400 funds and investors with the best track record. Stay in the loop and trade with confidence. Dark Option Flow, the key to unlocking the smart side of trading. Join now and gain the edge you've been searching for. Your journey to smart trading starts here. See you inside.